In this video, you will learn how to show or hide the battery percentage on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So open the settings. So find the settings icon on the home page of the app drawer, and then scroll down and select notification and status bar. Within the notification settings, scroll down and find the battery indicator. Select it, and now you should see the three options. There's the graphical option, and then there's the percentage within the icon, and there's the percentage next to the icon. Now to show the battery percentage, you can either choose to show the percentage within the icon, or you can simply choose to show the percentage next to the icon. So if you select the percentage next to the icon, you can now see your battery percentage next to the battery icon. If you select the percentage within the icon, you can now see the battery percentage within the battery icon. If you like to hide the battery percentage or battery indicator, all you have to do is simply select the graphical one, and now you can no longer see your battery percentage. So that's basically it on how to show or hide the battery percentage on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.